crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with
Let me show y'all this light real quick. So I got this light behind me, like it like a whole new setup or something like that. I'll show y'all some custom colors that I cast. And here is my favorite. Ooh, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Just instantly, I can change this. Like that green is hot, the red, the deep purple, the blue. But I'm going right back to the regular settings for now, y'all. I have not been in the mood to do no makeup whatsoever, okay? When my mind's focused on getting something started, I like trying to finish that thing and get it started, like especially when I'm really serious. So starting my business right now is like the main thing. But as I am starting my business, I need to do tutorials, okay? But I have not been in the mood to do them. Like I just haven't had the passion no more. It's just like I've had the passion to start my business, and that's what I've been doing, y'all. Just behind the scenes, I really haven't been doing much, but I want to show y'all how to do this quick makeup tutorial within 5 minutes. I have a I look so ill, like an egg. I got an egghead. Egghead is bitch. The first thing, and my nails are missing. Like I only got one. It's just like raggedy. Like don't even get me started, y'all. I'm gonna take my 24-hour brow setter, y'all, and I am going to put this on my brows. I got my palette that I'm gonna be trying today. And I'm only gonna be trying to use one color out of that palette. Now y'all know me, if I don't like just one color by itself, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add. I don't know, right now I'm not feeling my best. I'm feeling so low. I don't know, I be feeling like I'm ugly or something. Right now, I'm just applying my translucent honey. Girl, what am I talking about? Translucent honey, y'all. Onto my brows. I'm just pressing this in. I like the gray background. Tell me if y'all like the gray background. Then with the colors added, girl, what is gonna be lit? Y'all saw the colors in the beginning. What's blowing me right now is the bump right here that I had and right here. Like, I'm contouring the fuck out of my face, okay? Because maybe I've tried only 2 brow pencils from my line. My hair is jet black, so I was gonna do a jet black or the darkest pencil that I have. I'm coming out with my very own eyebrow pencil. It doesn't have a logo on it yet because, like I said, the logo, I haven't got my logo yet. I'm excited. I'm super excited, and I'm super excited to let y'all see. I don't know what kind of eyebrow pencil y'all like, but mine is like felt tip, like thin, almost kind of reminds you of the top brow. Now y'all know I love the top brow, and the top brow is my favorite. So let's draw these brows on. Reminds you this is black, so I'm only doing this at the tail. Now broke is like the second up from the darkest shade. It's honestly my favorite color. I don't like to go in the front, just right there. Okay, y'all, so there y'all go, a whole gradient brown, okay? I'm gonna come back when it's time to conceal. I did one brow, concealed it. I'm not done yet, but I do have my own cut crease brush. It's gonna be called Cut Crease Queen Brush. Y'all be sling out. And that's what I tried to get it to. I tried to get it to match the 252S brush because that's what I'm using. Our eyeshadow bases, y'all. It's like P. Louise base, but it's not. It's eyeshadow base. I'm gonna try to get them to change the tube to where like it doesn't look like P. Louise bases. But yeah, I'm gonna go heavy on this eyeshadow base the first time, because what happens is it dries, and if you try to go on it again and try to pat it in, it's gonna take off the dry patch and it's not gonna be cute. So make sure you know before it dries, make sure you put a healthy amount that you want on your eyes on. Before you pat this out. Then it's going to make sure you pat it out, because you don't want it to dry on you, and then when it dries and you start patting it, I'm gonna go in on this eye. I really don't want to look up because I want it to dry before I look up, but I'm going in on this eye. Just one base. It's really pigmented, and that's it. You don't really need much more. I think I want to go on my Morphe palette because my palette don't have enough browns. It's like a brown, but it's like a reddish brown. So I think I'm going to go in with this color on the end right there. This out of my Morphe 353 palette. And so I'm going to take my Morphe 535 brush, and I'm just going to dig into that color. I'm just going to pat this. I mean, Morphe shadows are already pigmented, but so I'm leaving this right in the middle, okay? So you see me applying this in the middle. I'm not going on the sides or anything like that. I'm applying this right in the center. I love this color. Super pretty. And that's why I'm using a blending brush, because looks like these. I don't know if y'all see them on Instagram. Like, it's just applied on the lid and be out your day. You can make it even more simpler than this. I 117 brush from Morphe. I'm gonna go to my palette, and I want to grab this warm shade, and I am going to start smoking this out. So I really don't want to go up too high, if y'all gonna understand. I don't want to go too high, but I don't want a lot of base showing. So I'm trying to keep this as round as possible. I'm staying right on top of the staying right on top of it. I always leave this open because I always add like a and this tiny brush, this Morphe 506 brush, y'all. So remember these brushes as I'm sending to y'all. And I'm gonna take, taking this gold shade. I'm gonna take this gold shade right here out of my palette. Look how pigmented that is. Period. Okay. Cause we ain't finna play with y'all. We just not gonna play with y'all. Y'all see that? It. Now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'm coming back when it's time to add my liner. I have my eyes done. So cute. Now I was debating, like, I have so many liners, y'all. I have this new liner, and I was gonna do this new liner as like a coming this and then do it. I don't know. I'm debating a new liner. It's like a pinky nude, almost to a nude. You ask me. I was going to put on my eyes, and I'm so scared. I just want to be sultry, so we're just gonna be sultry today. So I have so many colored liners, y'all. I have a blue right here. I have like a teal blue thing. I have dark green, y'all. I have lime green. I have red, I have purple, red, I have purple. Like, I have all the colors. I'll probably list the picture in here. So I want to take my black liner. So this is black. We have black. And to get it activated, all you have to do is either use water or any kind of spray. So I don't have liner brushes, but I have liner brushes, if you know what I'm saying. I don't have liner brushes for my brand. So I recommend to get this one from Michaels. So I'm just going to line this. I have some lashes, y'all, but for my line, I opened one pack, well, 2 packs from the photo shoot that me and my mom has. I have these lash styles right here.
Right here for me.
These are so pretty.
Ready? I love them.
Girl, why you keep repeating after me? These are the 5D Fox Faux Mink lashes. More volume, more layers and layers. The style R05. I don't know how they look, but we're gonna see right now. I put my Spice Rum concealer on my face to basically take or get rid of, to get rid of any dark spots that I may have on my face. Alright, so now we're moving on to foundation. I've been using my Anastasia foundation. It's been making my skin like really glowy. So I've got 470C, and I also use 500C. Go into my Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Nutmeg. Excuse my foundation top. It's like and Anastasia is like a luminous, and then it's a luminous, and then you got Huda here, which is matte. I'm going into medium tan golden. Okay, I'm gonna put this right in the corner. One's my Fenty.
I love you. I love you, mommy. I
love you, mommy.
Love you.
Eyebrow pencils, like, get into it. I'm going to chisel my cheeks, okay? And that's period. So, this brush is a E4 brush from Morphe. I'm just going to tap this on. Tap it on. So this brush for the nose is a, I'm gonna get it for you. But leave it alone. Is a E62
Mommy.
Inglot, which is this nude. I'm about to smoke out. I'm just putting white. This is brown, but it's not dark brown. So let's see. So these are my lip liners. Like I said, once again, they don't have any logos on it yet. Okay. I definitely want to add lip liners to my collection, but these, I don't know, it don't seem like it dry. I love the color to name these products. I don't have any names for them. I don't know if I'm keeping them the same, like what's going on. So I have to get names. I have to find some more lip liners that are matte. It's up to y'all. Like, y'all want matte lip liners or what? Let me know. Not too much, but this. Seems like the perfect color. In the middle. And it is. See it? So I will have clear lip gloss. I know clear out on the outer parts always give the lip such a juicier vibe, y'all. I don't know if y'all. These are my highlighters. They look like this. Like that. So, I'm about to go, actually, yeah, change my clothes, put some earrings on, and I'm gonna come right back.